Morning. Yeah, it is very early in the morning. This is a prep class, not a normal lesson, as you know. This is a pre-technical lesson, isn't it? So yesterday on our previous class, we discussed on the potential safety threat in a work environment. We have two potential threat, isn't it? Which is physical and which is physical and what? Which is physical and online threat in a work environment or in a workplace. So by starting a physical threat, potential threat in physical. Yeah, in physical means in this case, you might come across physically, face to face, anything that can cause or anything that interrupts your safety. Physical threat in a workplace. What was there? What was it? These are sharp-edged tools and objects that can easily cut or poke someone. You can come across in your workplace or in your living area physically. Sharp-edged objects like tools, like what? Like knives, razor blade, panga, whatever. Sharp-edged object or a spade, maybe while you are walking, you step on something, nail, whatever. So these are the sharp-edged tools and objects that can easily cut or poke someone. That is a physical. And then disarranged rooms where one can easily tumble and fall. In this case, you enter a room, maybe it is a store. You have a store in your home. It's a store. In this room, there are so many things, unwanted things like tools like wheelbarrow, panga, woods, all those things. Maybe you get accidentally inside the room and then kuna ball, maybe ball or whatever you want to take it inside from the room, and the room is disarranged with a lot of this is a disarrangement room, a lot of dirty things inside there. So accidentally, while you are saying nataka kuchukua kitu, alafu you step on something and then there's some wheelbarrow see, alafu kuna kitu kunataka kuchukua, and then you accidentally fall or tumble, and then neck electricity wires that can easily cause electric shock. What do you mean by neck electricity? Neck electricity wire. So in this case, that socket is necked. That socket is necked. Hakuna bado ijatengenezwa. Maybe wire imetoka and then the electricity is on. There is a neck wire there that came out through the socket. And then you didn't observe your safety. Ujengako ukaenda na kuguza na mkono with your bare hand, of which the electricity is on. So such thing can cause damage or is harmful to your safety. And then poorly lit rooms where one can easily knock. Poorly lit rooms where one can easily knock himself against objects. Maybe you get inside the room or a floor where there's some broken glass, where there's a sub object there, and then you accidentally enter and then you step on the object. So in this case, we can say a poorly lit rooms where one can easily knock himself against object. And then we have poorly stored items on the shelves where they can easily fall off or hit someone. What do you mean by shelf? Shelf. Hapo kwa jikoni ama in your office, kuna kitu kama board hapa juu where you store something, or your paper ama kama jikoni there are some utensils, cup, whatever there, and then you accidentally an object falls into you. So in this case, we can say a poorly stored items on the shelf where they can easily fall off and hit someone. In this case, your safety or your situation is not safe. And then we have working without protective gear. Working without protective gear, where one can easily be hurt or injured. In this case, you are working, maybe you are an electrician, and then you didn't wear a protective tools, like maybe gloves, maybe you are wielding, unafanya kazi hapa, and then you didn't wear you forgot to wear the goggles eye. So working without a protective gear, where one can easily be hurt or injured, is one of the physical threats in a work environment. Also, we have rooms with wet slippery floors, where one can easily slip or fall. You come across umeingia nyuma ama unatembea kwa floor, and then the floor is wet, kuna maji, and then accidentally umeingia na speed, you fall off, isn't it? So in that situation, there is also a physical threat in a workplace. Room with wet, slippery floors, where one can easily slip or off. So we are done with the physical threat at a workplace. So let's see the online threats at a workplace or at a work environment. This is where you come across threats in online. Maybe you are working business online, or you are working whatever online on your computer or your laptop or on your phone. This is the situation where your work is not safe in online situation. They include malware. Malware is just this is a virus attack. This is a virus attack on your devices, whether it is a phone or your laptop or computer. Malware is just a virus attack. Hacking. I hope it is not your first time to hear what hacking is. Someone can hack your business, maybe your phone. Sawa. Hacking. I hope you know that. You know what do we mean by hacking. And then we have data theft. Data theft. This is a situation where your information is still or robbed. And then we have cyber bullying. What is cyberbullying? What do you understand by this term? Cyberbullying. So cyberbullying, maybe this young boy maybe is cooking in the kitchen, and then his friend records. Some days later, amekwambia my friend nimekurecord. So hiyo video yako nitarelease kwa social media unless you give me 2K or a money. He's threatening you. That is what we refer to as the cyberbullying. Maybe someone has your video, maybe you accidentally someone else recorded you when you are not in good condition, and then that person is bullying you with your clip. That is a cyberbullying. Also, we have friend requests from unknown people or from unknown person. In this case, while you are working, you just accepted friend requests that you don't know. Accidentally, it can cause you meet with a stranger online. And then the last one, we have what is called a phishing attack. What is phishing attack? Phishing attack, this is an online fraud system used to steal a private data such as login, username and passwords. That is what is called the phishing attack. So on our next class, we will going to see online safety rules and regulation.